Alright guys, still boy Big Time from the Bus Out, and this tutorial we want to discuss about jQuery selectors. For this tutorial, I want to talk about jQuery selectors. So before we start here, I want to clear one important thing for this side jQuery. Now for jQuery, every statement, if not all of them they start with this $sign. You see, they start with this $sign. If you call on the jQuery keyword or just normal $sign. So mostly, for example, now you see this is my HTML now. So you see, I say I get one div, then the div now give an ID, call the ID as main, then inside I get paragraph. So if it's not normal JavaScript now the right now, so I want to get that div now. It will go to the we'll call and I will say document dot get elements by ID. Then we'll open our bracket now. We'll see main. You see, so if I normal JavaScript now, just like now what you do, but best say now jQuery now to go to the see. We'll come here. We'll see dollar main. You see, I first got the $sign, then I open bracket, then inside the bracket now I can see this hash sign now. So they target this div now, then I type the name of the div now, which is main now. You see, so quickly now select us here. Now just switch to the used to grab content from web page, and just the same way we take the run CSS syntax and so they run the selectors too. So if you know CSS and how to use them, take grab or select items for your web page, then you not get problem. But if you don't understand CSS well, I'll just leave link to the CSS tutorials for the description of this video so that you see understand DB. So we'll go talk about element selectors, class selectors, and ID selectors. Just a very simple thing. You get a very simple stuff. So before we enter in now, what I'll do, I just enter the element selector now. Enter the element selector. So that I'll just come in now. I'll just say I'll come back to this one now. I just say mind you, I use Emmet here. So if you don't know Emmet, just check my tutorial list. I'll still put link to the tutorial for the description of this video, so that it will make you sabi the write your HTML syntax fast. So I'm gonna say home, about, and contacts. See, very basic stuff. Very basic. My refresh. You see, I'm now so that I want to do now. I want to target this element now, the list item now. I want to target the element now. So I'll come this place. I'll say dollar li. Make sure say the thing the inside code so you see since it is not just the element at the target now, they say not just the li, right? Exactly the way to do for CSS. Then they inside this code. Then I'll just use jQuery now to do one small CSS style now. I'll say .css. Then open my curly brace. I'll say border 4 pixel solid more given red. You see 4 pixel solid red. So more come here, more see. Share this video up now. You see I say the border now resident now. Now we use jQuery now to the target this list item. Then they add CSS now. So what you do this one now with the element selector, because now we select the element for here now. So we select the element now with jQuery. You see so now element selector now, just the element name now for here now, which is this li. With the target and then we say okay, more easier man. This CSS function from jQuery now to add small style into it. You get. So what I go do now, I come out to this main now. I want to do the ID selector now. So the same thing now, I might just copy the CSS code for you. Or paste now for this place quickly. You can fit type. Then instead of red now, I could just say green. I'll save. I'll go my browser, my runner. It sounds say it don't get green border now. Why? Because with the select, if you come in now, say maybe you just say main now. Then you go back. It sounds say it not work. Because we're not the select away. No elements here they come in. Now let this ID now it come in. And for you to select this ID now, you need to select on the right way by putting this hash for front now. So we go put a pound that be the sign name, but now the bin and hash will be color everywhere. So say hash. Then if you go back to the browser now, you see and see it don't work well normal. So the same thing too for the class selectors, just like the way we do this one. I'll just come here sharp. Might just say div.name. Div.name. Then h1. This na class. You get. Might just push out this step with this one here. So that I'll do. I'll come here. I'll just copy this one sharp. Copy stuff button here. Then instead of this hash, mean now to the selector for CSS, I'll do the call class of CSS now. The same thing I'll go for the selector here now. I'll say dot name. You see how? So instead of green more use orange. More see as it could be. You see how? So I don't refresh now. So I refresh now. Oh, I now write my EU a bit more look up. You see how say it show the orange border I see will specify. So now so elements now so selectors now for jQuery B now. Very simple. When you want to select any item for the DOM here now, exactly the way you do for CSS. Now so you do but just that way it is a level CSS now, you need to put them inside this jQuery syntax now, which is this $. You first write this $, then you go open bracket like this. Then inside the bracket now, you put your quotes. Then now here you can write the element where you target. So if na paragraph, or you put paragraph. If na anchor tag, or you put anchor tag. If say maybe the div now, maybe the div inside section now. If you say section div, the same answer. Then maybe inside that div now one paragraph there now you put the paragraph. You see like this now, so you don't create the selector. Show the same. So by the time we start to use selector, they grab items for the web page now. We feel they manipulate them with jQuery methods and different jQuery properties. Just where we use this CSS for here and I manipulate this LI now. So any action now here we ends the video. So you know the bin. If you like the video, like and then subscribe to the channel and see tell other people where they are. See me or a big time for the out and I'll go see you now for the next video. Thank you.